So the next chapter is chapter 10th, circle, and in introduction we learn what is the definition of circle. Circle means the collection of all the points in a plane which are equidistant from the fixed point is called circle. Now you can see I just draw a circle with dotted, you know, dotted line, or you can say dotted points. These are the points, you can consider them, and you can see all the points are equidistant. If you measure them, all the points are equidistant. You can see here it's and 2.9, and it's also 2.9. So all the points are equidistant, means they are 2.9 centimeter away from the fixed point, and the fixed point is called center of the circle. It's 2.9 centimeter. So, and that distance from center to the point of the boundary is called radius of the circle. And the next part is when we draw a plane figure in a plane. If you draw any figure like square, rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, anyone, if you draw anything in a plane, that plane figure divide the plane in three parts. You can see I just draw a circle, and the circle has divide the plane in three parts. Which three parts are there? One is interior of the circle, inner part, you can say. Interior of the circle. One is exterior of the circle, and one part is boundary of circle, you can say circle. So a plane figure divide the plane in three parts. Anyone, you can draw any plane, it's always divide the plane in three parts. Now the next one is, what is chord? The chord is the distance, fixed distance between any 2 points of the boundary of the circle is called chord. So I just show you. So if I draw a circle again, and if I join any 2 points, of the boundary, suppose I just draw a line, and the line the line segment I am just taking it A and B, the point A and point B. So point A and point B are the part of the points, part of the boundary. They are part of the boundary, and I just join them with a line, with the line segment. So AB is called chord of circle. Now if I join this, this is our center O. If I draw a line which is passes through the center, suppose I draw a line again, but this time the line is passing through the center. Now if the line is passing through the center, and I am taking it C and D, so C and this one is your D. If the line is passing through the center O, that is called diameter. That is called diameter of the circle. So CD is our diameter. Diameter of circle. And you can see here, if I observe the diameter and observe that radius, you can see in the first figure the radius is the distance from center to any point of the boundary, and here in diameter CD we have two radius. So OC and OD are two radius, means we can say diameter is twice of the radius. So I'm just writing here, diameter is denoted by D, so diameter is twice of radius R. Now the next part is segment of circle. So what is segment of circle? Segment of circle means this distance from the center, O is the center, and center of the circle. And now if I join any chord, so I just join a chord AB. Chord AB I am taking here. So the region between the chord and the arc is called segment. Region means the area. The area between a arc and the chord is called segment of the circle. And the smaller area is called minor segment, and the bigger area is called major segment. So this one is our minor segment, and this is our the bigger area, the bigger part is called major segment. Now the next part is sector of the circle. Sector of circle. Sector means the region between two radii and arc is called sector of the circle. And you can see O is the center. I'm talking about the radii. Radii means more than one radius in a circle. It's called radii. If I'm taking more than one radius, means I'll just join 2 points OA and suppose I'm taking OB. OA and OB, suppose this is your A and this one is your B. So OA and OB are the radii, radius of the circle. If more than one radius I'm taking in a circle, it's called radii of circle. So the region between radii and arc, the region between radii and arc is called sector of the circle. Sector, and the smaller part is called minor sector. Minor sector, and the bigger part is called major sector. Major sector of the circle. So these are the basic part which we are going to use in that particular chapter. So this is the introduction part, chapter 10th.